Yes, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the team and how to transfer the created team from TG software to Dream11 directly within fraction of seconds. So before starting the video, I want to tell you, those who are new to our channel and those who didn't join our Telegram channel, make sure to join our channel. I have provided you the Telegram link in the description box below, because a lot of information and a lot of free information and valuable information is provided in our Telegram channel, and also a lot of users are winning using our TG software and our prediction. So you can see one of the user also won first rank in the WPL, and a lot of users are winning every single match and every single day. I have provided all the winnings proofs as well in the Telegram only. You can see the same team 801 points team, and the same team joined by our user and got first rank in 17,000 teams in Dream11 prime private groups. So like this, lot of users are winning. So if you are interested, make sure to join our Telegram channel. So let's come to the main part. So there are a lot of matches on our TG software, so and there are a lot of ways in which you can create the team using our TG software. I will show you what are the different ways you can create the team using our TG software in a separate video, because it requires a lot of time. But for now, I will create sample demo teams quickly and to show you how to transfer the created team from our TG software to the Dream11. So first of all, click on any match. Let's say I'm going to take this women's match. So in our software there are a lot of ways of creating the teams. Such way is expert prediction. So this is the prediction I have posted already. So after clicking on the prediction, you can see the prediction, and after that creating the teams. So I'm going to create 12 teams. So you can see all these teams are created based on my prediction. So after that, what you have to do, you can simply click on the Dream11 copy option here. So this is a very simple step. So after clicking on the Dream11 copy option, the team is directly transferred to the Dream11, your Dream11 account. You can see the Dream11 team. So the same team which is there in the TG software, it will be there. So let me show you. So you can see the same team which is there in our TG software. You can also check the same team is directly transferred to the Dream11 without having any issue. So after that, you just need to click on pick this team, and after that you just need to click on next. So after that, you just need to click on the highlighted captain and vice captain options, and after that you have to click on save. That's it. So within fraction of seconds, the team is directly transferred to the Dream11. So and also I have seen some people, like 90% of the users are using this feature fine, and only 5 to 10% of the users are facing some issue while transferring the team. So for those users, if you are facing any issue, so after clicking on the Dream11 copy, you can see, so copy link option is not there for the second team, but the first team you can see the copy link option. So after clicking on the Dream11 copy option, if you are facing any issue, just click on the copy link option. So the link gets copied. So the team link is already copied now. So after that, what you have to do is open your WhatsApp, and after that paste the link there in any sample chart. You can use any chart or any group chart or any dummy WhatsApp group you can create on your own, and after that paste that link, and after that click on the link. So if you click on the link, if you are facing any issue from TG software to Dream11, so you are not going to face any issue from WhatsApp to Dream11. So it is going to be 100% safe, and also you can save a lot of your time as well. So if you are facing any issue from transferring the team from TG software to Dream11, try to copy the link from TG software and copy in and paste in any WhatsApp or Telegram chat, and click, and after that, after sending that link, click on that link, you will get the team in the Dream11. This is a very easy process. So if you have any issues and if you want the TG software, contact us through WhatsApp. I will provide the WhatsApp number in the description box below and in the screen as well. Thanks for watching.